What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add the llms.txt file. It's almost like the robots.txt file, but for artificial intelligence. So large language models increasingly rely on website information, but face critical limitations. Content windows are too small to handle most websites in their entirety. So this is a new way that helps, for example, a welcome page for AI, saying to AIs what parts of your content are most important to answer questions, okay? So it's a new way, a new SEO style, and how to enter this file into a WordPress website for free. This is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on your domain, on the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin or WP login. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is going to be a field called Search Plugins. Click and type llms.txt. And here is the guide we're looking for. Website llms.txt automatically generate and manage llms.txt files for AI content understanding with full Yoast SEO and rank math integration. Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button. Here is the plugin working on your site already. And you can move to the plugin settings. And you can enter the LMS title, description, after description, and file description. And right here you can say what kind of content you would want to see into this file. In my case, it's going to be all my pages and posts, but on yours can be your products or something like this. You can include meta information, publish date, author. You can include post accepts in the case that you want it. You can include detailed content or include taxonomies, categories, tags, and other things. Click on Save Change. And here is the file working, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective, okay? AI crawler detector, log AI bot visits, and contribute to global impact. Up to you, okay? You can save your changes. And you are good to go. Simple, easy, and effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see advanced settings as well, in the case that you want to play with. And the cache management. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. And as you refresh the page, you're going to be able to see your site file, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!